Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to use Nvidia broadcast background voice removal, background noise removal options. Okay, it is very simple. You can simply download and install this Nvidia broadcast from the website. Simply search RTX voice or Nvidia broadcast. After installing application, you will get this icon on your desktop, or you can access through the toggles. Okay, click here, then you will get this pop-up. So here is the settings. You can see here noise removal is currently turned on. You can see here, and click here to get some strength adjusting options. Okay, you can simply click here and drag this strength option to how much you need to remove your background noises. So I'm always using the 100 percentage. You can see here, and also you can use room echo removal sound, and these are new options. Okay, and one more thing is here, you must select your microphone. You can see here I'm currently using microphone USB PNP audio device, and that's it. You can click here to change whatever you want. Okay, so you must use an high quality uh, mic for better quality, but actually it is working perfect. I'm using my fan right now and other background noises working around me, but you can see here in my video there is no noise, so it is very useful. So that's guys very simple tutorial. In this way you can use background noise removal options from Nvidia broadcast. It's amazing. Thank you so much to Nvidia for making this one. Okay, that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.